Hey all, this is Tansiha. Welcome to DI Solutions. As a Zoho partner, we also provide a complimentary 30-minute consultation on Zoho Zakya support where we help you set up and streamline your retail operations. So, in today's video, we are going to explore the settings in the POS, that is a point of sale module of Zoho Zakya. By end of this session, you will know how to configure your POS to match your business needs and ensure smooth billing operations. So, let's get started. From your POS billing screen, click the settings icon on the right top. Here you will see multiple configuration options to connect and customize your device. You can see there are appearance, preference, printer, payment terminal, etc. Appearance switch the theme and view layout of the POS interface. Adjust the screen, zoom in and zoom out, resolution for better visibility. Then we can enable or disable keypad shortcut for faster billing. Then when you go under preferences, you can choose the language to be displayed, and there is an option to enable whether you want to see if the transaction is successful, whether you have to receive that message, then you have to enable this option. Next is printer. Here you can connect your receipt printer to Zakya POS. Select the printer from the list of available devices. Test the connection. Customize receipt size and format. This ensures your customers get instant printed bills. Next is payment terminal. This option lets you link POS with UPI devices or card machines. You can select the supported terminal, connect it via USB, network, Bluetooth, etc. Once paired, payment automatically flow into Zakya, avoiding manual entry. Then we have weighing scale. For business like grocery stores, supermarkets, you can connect a digital weighing scale by enabling this. Once this is enabled, you have to choose the settings accordingly. The weight of the product will be captured directly into the bill. This saves time and eliminates manual mistakes. Then regarding poll display, it is an additional customer facing screen. When enabled, customer can view the items being billed and total in real time. It adds transparency and improves the checkout experience. Finally, we have cash drawer. Connect your drawer to the POS system by enabling Enable Now button. It automatically opens after a cash sale or when you close a bill. This makes handling cash safe, quick, and fully integrated with your POS. So that's it. Hope you all enjoyed the video. See you in the next video. Thank you.